Hello, my name is Marc Monroe, and I will be presenting to you my top 5 apps for the LITR 630 course. My first app is called Mac's Journal. The beauty of this app is it's free and very simple to use. Its interface is a good balance of style and function, and its main use in a classroom would be to create daily journal entries, reflections, or possibly lab journals in a science class. The use in my classroom would be for practice journals, where students reflect on what they've practiced and what they need to practice in the future. There are 2 pictures here. The first in the top left corner is the main screen of the app. This is where you can manage multiple journals, change the background, and find the help section. As you can see, it's a very simple format and in turn is very user-friendly for multiple ages. Second photo, the bottom right, shows that you can secure your journals with a password, add a cover photo, and customize your color palette. Any opportunity a student has to customize their work gives them a sense of ownership. Top left picture is an example of a blank journal. All you do is click on it to create it, and it opens the current date. The months of the year at the top, and the dates of the month are at the bottom, and you can tap on a date to go to that page. Second photo in the bottom right is a view of the entire month, the current date highlighted. This is so you can see the journal entries from the month and tap on certain dates to see what you did or did not write on a certain date. To begin is simple. You just type on the blank page and the entire screen shifts into a writing mode with a minimal time step and a done button. The interface is the same in both portrait and landscape modes, so it works well on the iPad. Mac's Journal uses the same capitalization and autocorrect settings of the iPad, so students are accustomed to its process. Another impressive feature that's not found on other paid apps is the export function. You can choose to export a journal in plain text or PDF format and save it to the cloud. You can do this from the main page by simply tapping on an icon. It's a very handy feature for students to turn in their journals for a grade. So all in all, Mac's Journal is free, simple to use, and I intend on implementing it, like I said, with practice journals in my class next year. My second app is Poplet. This app is great for mind mapping and fantastic for group projects at every grade level. With Dr. Thomas's permission,
We know that kids' minds move a million miles a second. How can you help them keep track of their thoughts? And how do you do it especially when they're engrossed in a video? How can they capture their ideas as they view? Poplet, a free mind mapping tool available online and as an iOS app,
we know that
allows
kids'
students to
minds
visually
move a
organize
million miles a
facts,
second.
make connections,
how can you help
and
them
dig
keep
deeper
track of their
into the
thoughts?
content.
And how do you do it
From
especially
elementary
when
to
they're
high
engrossed
school,
in a video?
Poplet is a versatile tool
How can they
that
capture
features
their
support
ideas
active
as
viewing
they view?
for a wide range of learning
Poplet,
styles.
a free mind mapping
As
tool
students watch a
available
video,
online
they can begin
and
to
as an
headline
iOS
their
app,
notes
allows
independently
students to
or
visually organize
collectively on a
facts,
board.
make
They
connections,
literally can
and
draw
dig deeper
lines to
into
make
the
connections
content.
between ideas.
From elementary to high
Encourage your
school,
kids to ask
Poplet
and
is a
answer each
versatile
other's
tool whose
questions
features
with
support
text,
active viewing
images,
for a
or
wide
links.
range of learning styles.
They then can drag and color
As
code the
students watch a
boxes to
video,
help
they
organize
can
their
begin to
thinking,
headline their
group
notes
concepts
independently
together,
or
and create a
collectively
visual
on a
outline.
board. They literally can draw
Collaboratively,
lines
kids
to
see how
make
they might
connections
map
between
concepts
ideas.
differently.
Encourage
The
your kids
simple
to
and clean
ask and
interface
answer each
allows
other's
them to zoom in
questions
to
with
concentrate
text,
on details
images, or links.
or zoom out
They then
to
can
focus
drag
on
and
the
color
big
code the
picture.
boxes to help
The
organize
finished
their
result
thinking,
is that you
group
and
concepts
your
together,
students will
and
see
create a
their
visual
learning
outline.
unfold as they actively view a
Kids see
video.
how they might
And
map
students don't need to
concepts
start from
differently.
scratch.
The
You
simple
can
and clean
scaffold the
interface
learning
allows them
by
to zoom
initiating
in
the
to concentrate on
brainstorming
details
or creating
or
templates
zoom out
and then
to
share
focus
your
on the big
boards
picture.
with students.
The finished result is
Looking
that
for
you
more tools to
and your
support
students will
active viewing?
see their learning
Consider
unfold
Evernote,
as they actively view
Notability,
a video. And students don't
and
need to start
Workflowy
from
to
scratch.
help students visualize
You can
their thinking
scaffold the learning
and organize
by
their
initiating the
learning.
brainstorming,
Whether
or creating
brainstorming,
templates, and then
note-taking,
share
or
your
concept
boards
mapping,
with
these
students.
tools offer easy and
Looking for more
engaging
tools to
ways
support
for students
active
to
viewing?
capture
Consider
and connect
Evernote,
their ideas for active
Notability,
viewing and beyond.
and Workflowy to help students visualize their thinking and organize their learning. Whether brainstorming, note-taking, or concept mapping, these tools offer easy and engaging ways for students to capture and connect their ideas for active viewing and beyond.
This app would be a perfect tool for students who are organizing thoughts for a research process or collaborating with other students to organize their data in one place. I intend on finding a way to implement this tool in my classroom next school year. My third app is called Book Creator and is a free Google Classroom or Google Chrome extension and also available on the iPad through the Apple Store. It's simple to set up a teacher account with Google, and once you've created your account, you can add students with an invite code. Students can choose the size of the book they want to create and simply write whatever they want on each page and create their own illustrations or choose from images they find on the internet. They also have the capability of adding sound effects and narration to their stories. The real beauty of this app is that students can create and publish their own books regardless of what grade level they're in. My next app is called Writing Challenge, and this lets teachers turn creative writing into a fun game for students. Whether you want to use this app for whole class, small group, or individual activities, it's simple and students take to it immediately. As soon as you hit the start button, students will be given a writing prompt and a countdown clock. The goal of this challenge is to have students incorporate the prompt into their story before the time is up. As soon as the timer finishes, they'll be given something new to add to their story. This app is great for free writing, warm-up activities, and creative writing assignments. My final app is the Enchanted Dictionary. It gives you a new way to learn core vocabulary for science, social studies, math, and English language arts. Designed by a speech-language pathologist, Enchanted Dictionary helps you focus on the wording of definitions while you flick the words in order. It comes in two versions, one for 4th through 6th grade and one for 7th through 12th grade. This app was very easy to figure out, and for a reasonable price of $1.99, it's very helpful for school-based SLPs, working students, with students having difficulty comprehending academic vocabulary. This app allows you to select a category from a wide variety of academic-based lists. You can select which words in the category you want to choose, and even edit the definition to match textbooks, language, and change the wording around to truly determine understanding of word meanings of lists of vocabulary you want to add. By clicking the plus sign, you can add a category or subcategory. You want to review prepositions, you can add them right here. If you want to review meanings of various verbs, you can do it there. If you click the plus to the right, you can add words in the already created categories. Once you're done setting up the words list, you just click play. This game has cute graphics and looks like a book or a dictionary. The words of the definition are scrambled, and the student must drag the words in order to the right-hand side to create the definition. When the words stop swirling, they're correct. This app is just a great way to practice defining words without boring flashcards. It helps students develop sentence structure while practicing their academic definitions. You can take these same definitions and create a homework practice worksheet to help with your carryover. With a push towards Common Core, I think this app is a great way to incorporate classroom curriculum vocabulary into speech sessions. You can review the vocabulary prior to using this app, make memory games using index cards and other drilling techniques. You can use this app as a review or quiz, check and see if your students recall and comprehend the definitions. Can they describe the same as the rest of the group? Can they use it in sentences? Those are just some ideas that you can use with this app. This app is very helpful with students having difficulties comprehending academic vocabulary and is very user-friendly, the Enchanted Dictionary. Hopefully you found some of these apps helpful. If you have any questions about any of them, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.